Hello everyone, today we are going to learn comments in Python. So let's see. What are comments? Statements that are not executed by the interpreter. There are some statements that you write in your code and you don't want interpreter to execute them. So those statements are referred to as comments. Now, why you use comments? First, they make code readable and understandable. Second, they clarify the code so that you can get to know the purpose of the code. Now suppose you are writing your code and you also want to add some extra lines in which you can explain what's going on into your code. So if some other person is reading your code, he can get to know what your code is performing. In that case, you use comments. Let's now see how to write comments in Python. Comment in Python begins with the character hash. Now see, print hello there, hash, this statement prints something. Here the line beginning with the hash character is a comment. It won't appear in your output as interpreter will not execute this line. Now see the other print statement. Print, this is Python, hash, and the second statement. After the hash, here too, this statement won't appear in your output. Note, comments extend till the physical line terminates. See, these are single line comments. So for every new line, you use hash character. Now this is the program that we created last time. We will see the comments here. Let's hash. This is the first line. Let's save it. See, if you will run this code, only hello world will appear in the output. This comment will not appear. It is for your understanding. So let's press F5. See, the output is hello world. The comment have not appeared here. Now let us see multiline comments. How, if you have to write various lines in your comment, how will you write them? You can use hash for every line. Suppose you are writing various lines. So in the beginning of every line, you can put hash. Like here you can see hash, I am putting hash down a hash multiline comment. I am putting down a multiline comment. Okay, you used hash character at the beginning of every line. Okay, isn't it tiresome? Python, although does not have syntax for multiline comment, but there's a way in which you can do it. So in order to write multiline comments, you can use this way. Either you use single quotes, 3 single quotes, opening and closing, or you use 3 double quotes, opening and closing. So let me show you. Now let's see multiline comments. Okay, so I'm a multiline comment. Hello, how are you? Okay, see, I've used opening and closing quotes. Now let's save it. If you run this, see, only hello world is printing and nothing else. Now I can also use double inverted commas, and I will close it with the double inverted commas. Control S. Let's run it. See, again it's hello world. So this is the way you can write multiline comments. Now there are things that you have to keep in your mind. First, you cannot write comment within string literal. For example, you are printing this is it, whatever you are printing inside these inverted commas. If you put hash, this won't be treated as a comment. Okay, this is not a comment here. Hash character will be treated as hash character. Why? Because it's a string literal. Now if you assign your string literal to some variable, that won't be considered as comment. Keep this in mind that this is not a comment. Now see, print hello hi. Okay, now if I run this, it won't be treated as a comment because it's a string literal. It's the hashtag is inside the string literal. So let's run this. See, it's printing hash hello hi. So in this case, it won't be treated as a comment. So that's it. Thank you. If you like my video, do like, subscribe and share it among your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much.